Are you ready to unlock the secret to YouTube success without ever showing your face? Listen up, because I'm about to reveal the game-changing strategy that's taking the online world by storm. YouTube automation with faceless channels is your ticket to building a thriving online presence. And I've got 5 compelling reasons why you need to jump on this opportunity right now. Imagine creating content that resonates with thousands, even millions of viewers, all while staying comfortably behind the scenes. That's the power of YouTube automation. No more camera anxiety, no more endless retakes, just pure, profitable content that works for you 24/7. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this is the fastest path to YouTube stardom. First up, let's talk about the beauty of staying off camera. With YouTube automation, you can kiss goodbye to those nerve-wracking filming sessions. You don't need to be a natural on screen or have movie star looks. All you need is a great idea and the right tools. Use stock footage, cutting-edge voices, or talented freelancers to bring your vision to life. Your personality can shine through your content without you ever stepping in front of a lens. But here's where it gets really exciting. You're not limited to just one channel. Reason number 2 is all about scaling fast. With automation, you can build and grow multiple faceless channels simultaneously. Think about it, while others are struggling to maintain one channel, you could be dominating several niches, multiplying your income streams without burning the candle at both ends. It's like having a whole network of YouTube channels working for you around the clock. Now, let's talk efficiency. Reason 3 is a game changer. Content creation becomes faster and cheaper than ever before. Gone are the days of spending hours filming and editing. With AI-powered script generators and affordable editing services, you can churn out professional quality videos in a fraction of the time. This speed isn't just convenient, it's your secret weapon for finding those viral hits that can explode your channel overnight. But wait, it gets better. Reason 4 is all about the money, honey. Faceless channels often tap into high CPM niches like finance, tech, and health. What does that mean for you? It means advertisers are willing to pay top dollar for your viewers' attention. The same 100,000 views could earn you 2 or 3 times more than in a less lucrative niche. You're not just working smarter, you're maximizing every single view. And for the grand finale, reason number 5. You're not just creating videos, you're building valuable digital assets. These faceless channels are like online real estate. Once they're monetized, they can generate passive income that flows into your bank account month after month. But here's the kicker, if you decide to cash out, you can sell these channels for thousands of dollars, just like flipping a website. You're not just a content creator, you're a digital entrepreneur. So there you have it, 5 undeniable reasons to dive into YouTube automation today. No face, no camera, no problem. You've got the blueprint for success right in front of you. The only question is, are you ready to take action? If you're fired up and ready to learn more, drop a comment below. I'll share my step-by-step guide on how to build your very own faceless channel from scratch. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, we're in this together, and I can't wait to see your channel grow. Remember, every day you wait is a day of potential profits slipping through your fingers. The YouTube automation gold rush is happening right now, and you've got a front row seat, so what are you waiting for? It's time to turn your YouTube dreams into reality. Let's make it happen.